Hello everyone, welcome to my series of me trying to learn new creative ways to level up my flat visually as well as practically. Today I want to show you the most basic way to do macrame, or however you might pronounce it. It's my first time too, so we all start from the bottom. It's gonna be an onion or garlic holder. The materials are some kind of durable string, like I saw mostly is linen string, which I also used in this video, which was like, I don't know, €150 or something, or even cheaper, I think. I don't exactly remember. And I use a 3D printed hook. You can use some normal wooden hook, it makes no difference, except for this one, the 3D printed one. It's actually visible in the night, which I think is pretty cool. That's that. You could also go without a ring, but preferably you'd get one just to have a cleaner look. If you don't have a ring, you can also just use the same string and tie it up and make the knots on there. I did that in the end with some other project, but I screwed that project because it just wasn't really what I intended it to look like. So anyways, so what you do first is pull one loop of a string through the ring and take the ends through it from the front and pull it tight. This is what you do with the remaining 3 strings as well, or maybe more, however many you like to use. I even drew a little illustration so you maybe have a clearer look on it, how to do it. Once you've got all 4 strings tightly, you can watch me struggle how to move on. I touch the string like 100 times until I realize what I have to do. But yeah, anyways, you can skip that step I do right now, which is just securing with another knot. You can also tape your ring onto your desk, or maybe the macrame while it's hanging. The latter one is probably the easiest and the least confusing method. I also tried to do a bigger macrame, as I said before, which I'll show shortly at the end. But as I said, I screwed it. So anyways, what you have to do now with your current piece is to tie each end of the 2 knots together as shown. I can't really explain what to do there, but I hope you can understand with the video. It's important to hold the knot in place while securing it and to try to make the other knots at the same height. Then after the first row is done, you continue to tie each band to each other until your desired length is reached. The macrame should look like little diamonds, or how I like to call it, Sims symbols. You can do the end in a lot of different ways, but since I had no idea how to make it pretty, I just did a simple knot and cut the long strings that were left. Now you can fill your little cute macrame holder with whatever you please. Yes, also please ignore these ugly onions. I didn't have anything else to put in, so yes. Yeah. And at the end you can see my disaster of some kind of vegetable or fruit holder, so just ignore that. It isn't really pretty. But thank you for watching.